So one of the things that you can do in TeamViewer is you can go ahead and create meetings and invite people for the meetings. So for that, you can go around over here onto More Solution in TeamViewer, and here you can see that meeting is an option. Once you go ahead and click on meeting, you can see that you have an option to join or start a meeting. Let me just go ahead and click on start right here. And then what happens is that this actually pops up. You can see that you have your sound card right here. You can even go ahead and choose out your camera as you like right here, and then choose where the output comes from over here. So you can go ahead and, let's say for example, unmute yourself or mute it out, or you can go ahead and then show your camera or hide it out as you want. So now once you're ready to start the meeting, simply go ahead and click on start meeting, and the meeting is started. So now you can actually go ahead and give this particular meeting ID to other people so that they can go ahead and join the meeting. Or you can click on the plus button right here and then see who's online. You can go ahead and then, let's say for example, wait for them to join out the meeting as well. So once they go ahead and join the meeting, let's say for example, if you invite them out, you can see that the other person joins the meeting right here, just like this. And then you can go ahead and see them or even talk with them using the microphone. You can unmute it and talk to them if you want to right here, and mute it to go ahead and stop the talk. You can also go ahead and then open up the camera so that you can see each other right here. And then apart from that, you can even go ahead and chat. Let's say for example, you can say hello right here, just like this. And then what happens is that they will receive the message, and then you can go ahead and say hello back as well, just like this. So I'm just going to go around and type it in. Let's say for example, so if they send, you can see that you can go ahead and chat out as well. So you can go ahead right here and click on the plus button right here. And if I were to go ahead and click on invite by email, then as long as you have a Microsoft Outlook profile installed, it'll open up in email as well. Or apart from that, what you can also do is you can give this particular meeting ID to others so that they can go ahead and join in using the meeting ID as well. And you can accept for them to join in the meeting. Apart from that, you have an option to work around with the speaker. You can even go ahead and share out your computer screen that you have right here, just like this, directly from the meeting as well. So as you were to actually go ahead and do this right here, just like this, you can share your screen, and your screen will be shared out in the meeting, and they'll be able to go ahead and see the meeting. You can go ahead and pause it and end the sharing right here, just like this as well. If you want to go ahead and end out the meeting, then you can simply go around over here, end the meeting right here, end this meeting out. So let me just go ahead and rate out the meeting right here. And that is what you have. So that is how you can go ahead and create and invite out for meetings inside of TeamViewer. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.